Hello, my name is Jan and I have a question for you. Would you like to be sure from the very beginning how you will collect the information that will show you whether you are on a right track with your activities? If so, here is a solution for you. And it's a list of research methods, and you can choose from this list whether you would like to do interviews or, for example, surveys with questionnaires would be the most appropriate method to collect the information that you need exactly to know whether you are creating a positive impact. And the list is also about a toolbox that helps you to plan, implement and communicate the positive impact of your work. So, how should you work with the list of research methods? It includes 4 methods, and let's have a look at each of them. Surveys are a perfect method in case you need to collect information from a large number of individuals that you would be never able to interview one by one. A survey is an especially useful method if you are planning to ask so-called closed questions. For example, answering yes or no, or indicating just one number on a scale from 1 to 10. Then another method, a one-to-one interview, is a perfect method at any stage of your activities. For example, you can talk to your beneficiaries to gather information about their needs and challenges, to create the problem tree, or about the experiences and satisfaction of your beneficiaries with your activities, to create the beneficiary journey map, or whether your activities have helped your beneficiaries to experience any positive changes in their lives, well, to understand your impact. Then another method, focus groups, are a perfect method in case you need such kind of information from the people that can be obtained more easily when there is a discussion or experience exchange going on. For example, you have mapped the problems of your beneficiaries, but you would also need more understanding of the root causes of the problems. In that case, a focus group would be an excellent format to discuss the causes with some of the representatives of your beneficiaries. Likewise, you can invite people to discuss the effects that the participation in your organization activities has had on them. And then finally, case studies are a perfect method in case you need to deeply understand the experiences of one individual or a group of individuals, or an event that has taken place. Creating a case study usually requires collecting information from a variety of sources, including electronic files, interviews, or even going to a physical site and making observations. The main advantage of a case study is being able to deeply understand the experiences of your beneficiaries. And the case studies can be made of so-called good as well as bad examples. As a result of using the research methods, you will be able to see clearly whether you are making any progress, and if yes, how much. And now, top 3 tips and tricks. Tip number 1. One starting point of using the methods is simply trying to get to know your beneficiaries better. After collecting information about their needs and preferences, it may be easier for you to decide about the impact indicators and then make choices about the specific measurement methods according to each of the indicators. Tip number 2. Another starting point of using the methods is first deciding what are your impact indicators. After choosing these, you can then make choices about appropriate research methods according to each of the indicators. Tip number 3. Each of the methods have their own peculiarities. For example, conducting a focus group needs a very skilled moderator. Luckily, there is much useful information about using any of the research methods available on the internet. So, if you want to be sure from the very beginning how to collect all the necessary information that will show you whether you are on a right track with your activities, then download the template for research methods from the Impact Management Toolbox. And I wish you valuable discoveries when working with the tool and increasing your positive impact.